Here is a close look at this Chuckit Super Slider dog toy. This thing is absolutely awesome. My dog loves it. It works very well on hardwood, on laminate, on just smooth floors. I'm going to show you now though how easily it also works on carpet. So let me line myself up here. So I just bring it back, hold it, very easy to grip in my hands like this, and then I can just go ahead and slide. Doesn't slide quite as far. I'm sure though if I put a little bit more oomph into it, we could get it to go pretty far. Let me try my right hand so maybe I can get a bit farther with it. There we go. That made a bit more distance there. So this is an excellent toy. I'll also show you how well it squeaks here. Very loud, very appealing squeak. I've got a cat over there who's a bit intrigued as well. It does take a bit of pressure though to squeak. If you're looking for it for your cat by any chance, it might not work as well. Yeah, she's a bit intrigued, but I'm not sure if she'll be able to get it to squeak quite like a larger dog might be able to. And again, slides very well. It works well on carpet, might work better on hardwood, but this thing definitely lasts. Got a nice squeak, fun colors as well, very appealing, slides easily. Just it varies a little bit depending on the surface. Overall, is an excellent dog toy that I would highly recommend and my dog loves.